How you doing? My name is Gary Haydes, and I came out the Lambo doors and decided to put the Lamborghini doors on my Corvette. This is absolutely probably the most professional, probably best install I've ever seen on these Lamborghini doors.
Well, what's up, guys? This is David again, the Lambo door guy. We got a red Corvette. We're gonna do it like we always do. Let's go ahead and put some Lambo doors. Alright guys, got the wheels off, wheel well, and next step is to remove the fenders. Alright folks, at this point, I'm ready to cut this fender panel. Trim right there. This is a very important part because without cutting that off, the kit won't fit. But once I cut it, it sits flush.
You're crazy.
I got one side on, that side over there on the passenger side. Now I'm about to put the driver's side. As always, we gotta cut the fender, and I already finished adjusting everything on the door, so everything on there is a-okay. So let's get to cutting. wheels on. Gotta drop it, torque those down, and then pretty much put everything back together. Alright, now I'm gonna set the torque specs. It's 140 from factory. Alright guys, finally done. Looks good. Like every customer tells us, they wish these Corvettes came with these doors. That makes the vehicle pop out a lot. And it looks good. Till the next one.
It actually exceeds my expectations, so I highly recommend these guys. They probably do the best job in all of the city of Houston. This car now definitely looks like an exotic now for sure, so thanks to these guys here. Wonderful job. Couldn't ask for a better install, so very, very impressed. I give this place 5 stars on their work, and I'm blown away. I'm beside myself, so I'm very impressed with the work they did.